The winter solstice came and went, bringing endings and beginnings. I passed the event, cleaning and bringing order to the fairy cottage. It has been a year since I made it. Also in the lead up, I made calendula oil, which needs to sit for almost a month. I intend to use the oil on my sensitive skin. And as the solstice finally arrived, I realized that I was using the last of my magic wool to create a rainbow-colored fairy doll I had started a few months back, and also a polar bear. In previous years, I have painted and written stories featuring the animal, but this year I felt I needed to make a felted bear. And this is the first time I have undertaken such a task. For many years I believed that I couldn't sew and that I couldn't create dolls, even though I admired them so. It is amazing what you can create with tools, magic wool, and imagination. Although I've never seen a polar bear in person, I feel the animal's presence. Sometimes it feels as if the animal is a guiding light, like a northern star. A great hunter, the bear is also a magician. He can disappear into the ice and snow, only to reappear when the sky clears. Winter is a time when I review the year and set new intentions. This year when I did my review, I sensed that I was on the cusp of a bigger change. For having found courage again, I am leaping towards bigger dreams. When faced with uncertainty and change, I can feel anxious and doubt myself at crucial moments. And right now, I feel as if I have been caught in a blizzard. This time asks me to be patient and persistent. The storm will pass, and I, like the bear, will reappear to capture my dreams at the most perfect moment. What dreams await you, Wonder Weavers? with the fairy and the bear, I am making another miniature piano. When caught in the storm of doubt and worry, art and music are my balm. As I work away at the piano, I find myself wondering if the northern lights make music. And as I found out, searching the internet, they do make sound. The solar winds light up the sky, creating a red and green glow. And their particles whiz, crack, and bang. An offbeat orchestra and a grand show for all. Our world is such a mysterious and magical place. So now, Wonder Weavers, I leave you to finish my bear. Take care and stay well. And don't forget to let the music of magic sing through you. Judy.